Namaskar. I am again before you to discuss about a very good result for Q1 which has come today. This is L&T Technology Services, often called as LTTS or L&T. We will see what are the highlights of the results which have come today. The revenue is at 11,522 million rupees. 11,522 million rupees, a growth of 9.2% quarter on quarter, that is sequential, and 40.1% year on year. So this is very impressive. Sequential growth 9.2%, year on year growth 40.1%, really impressive. Net profit is 1,975 million rupees, which is a growth of 24% quarter on quarter, very impressive. And year on year, if you see that, 101%, that is still more impressive. The net margin is at 17.1%. So revenue and net profit are both very impressive. EBITDA is at 1,961 million rupees, margin 17%. So revenue has grown 9.2% quarter on quarter, 40.1% year on year. Net profit has grown 24% quarter on quarter and 101% year on year. EBITDA has a margin of 17%. So all results for Q1 are impressive. Now if you look at the revenue by geography, the North America contributes to the 56.3% of revenues. So don't think L&T is just an India company. Its major revenues are coming from North America. Now Europe 18.5%. Thereafter only India 12.4%, and the rest of the world is 12.8%. So India is using L&T to the least. Others are using much more. India has to wake up that others are growing in major engineering services. Now, the revenue by verticals, let us look at. Transportation, that is roads, bridges, etc., they contribute 30.9%. Industrial products 2.4%. Telecom and high-tech 28.7%. Process industry 13.5%. And medical services 6.5%. All verticals are growing. Presently transportation has the largest revenues, but others are also growing. Now revenues accrue on-site and offshore both. On-site is 50% and offshore is also 50%. Projects are again of two types. Fixed price project, whatever be the length of time, this is the amount, that is fixed price. Now some other projects are there. If it is 1 year, this much. If it is 2 years, double that, something like that. So depending upon time and material, contracts are at 60% and fixed price contracts are at 40%. Now let us look at the cash flow. Cash flow provided, net cash provided by operating activities is 2,576 million, which is slightly less than last year. Capex again 181 crores only, much less than last year. Free cash flow is 2,395, again less than last year. Free cash flow to net income has, however, increased by 121% from last year 72%. Cash flow comes down due to various reasons, but if you look at the revenue, profit, etc., it was quite good. Now let us look at some other revenue aspects. The diluted EPS is 18.73, which is a growth of 100% year on year and 24% quarter on quarter. Basic EPS, diluted EPS has grown like that. Basic EPS also approximately same. Now market price is 1,308. The price earning is 17.46, which is very moderate. I do hope that based on this good results, the price may grow in future. Volume is 86,000 plus, which means you can buy, sell very easily. You want to buy or you want to sell, that's easy as far as L&T is concerned. Now the price trend indicates that over the last year, the price has grown by 17.86%. Now, will it repeat the same thing in current year or increase on that? We'll have to wait and see. But L&T is perhaps the best suited to improve. Now, let us look at, see, the future remains on the deals won during this year. During this quarter, what has happened? Let us see. L&T has secured its largest deal ever in smart manufacturing from a leading automotive major in USA. The deal will focus on complete data acquisition, monitoring and control and enable the customer to maximize operational efficiencies and productivity. Largest deal ever in smart manufacturing. Then L&T has won a significant new order from a leading multinational chemical company to provide digital engineering and design services for a very large capex project at the customer's plant in New Jersey. That's also in USA. A significant new order. A leading Indian tire maker has selected LTTS as its engineering services partner to set up a greenfield plant in India. LTTS will provide detailed design, procurement and construction management for the customer. It's a Indian tire company for a greenfield plant. LTTS has won a multi-year project to develop and maintain the middleware stack for a leading international multi-system cable operator. So a cable operator has engaged L&T. L&T has been selected as a strategic partner to provide ER&D services and end-to-end engineering support for a leading European and turbine manufacturer. European wind turbine manufacturer. So this is in Europe. Strategic partner to provide ER&D services. Now, based on the amount, during this quarter, LTT has won 5 multi-million dollar deals across process industry, telecom and high-tech, industrial products, transportation. Multi-million dollars have come in almost all verticals. Now, of this, 2 clients have crossed US dollars 50 million in annual billing. So, these are existing 2 clients have crossed US dollars 50 million plus in annual billing. On a year-on-year basis, LTTE has increased its US dollar 10 million plus clients by 2. 10 million plus clients have increased by 2 numbers and 5 million clients by 5 numbers. Now let us see what Dr. Keshav Panda, CEO and Managing Director says. Process industry, a key differentiator for LTTS, has come back as a growth engine with a double-digit sequential growth in the quarter. Process industry has become one of the good verticals for L&T. The demand environment remains healthy and we are seeing clients prioritizing spending on digital engineering to gain competitive edge and achieve faster time to market. So they are urging L&T to help them. Our deep industry expertise and capabilities in emerging technologies, new technologies like NB-IoT, edge computing, M2M and 5G. So these are all new technologies where L&T has got great expertise. I would like to highlight our work in medical segment where we are transforming healthcare using automated image processing algorithms to accelerate patient diagnosis. In medical engineering also, L&T is doing a great job. Revenue from digital and leading technologies increased by 31% of the overall business and 79% year on year, says Dr. Keshav Panda, CEO and Managing Director. So all this indicates that L&T is on a strong wicket in Q1 and also for the future. So let us watch the progress of L&T. It is one of the best engineering service company of India, but probably others are using it better than India. That's the problem. Now government of India will need to wake up and private sector companies also will need to wake up to use the knowledge of L&T much better. and progress themselves. So I'll come back to you with another video on another interesting company. Now kindly subscribe to my channel and tell your friends also. Now I would always urge you to listen at least twice or thrice to each video to observe the full content of that, so that it will stay in your mind. So whatever decisions you want to take on buying, you can now do it confidently. Thanks a lot for listening. I'll come back to you with another video. Thank you.